train go? How do I get it loud?
Well, I want to hear the book first.
Read the book.
Go train go. We just gotta get it loud.
After we read the book, let's read this first.
And go train go. Here comes the big red judge in her big red hat. The Thomas will take the judge to the show. And to the show. Hurry, Thomas. Not be there. Go train go. He climbed over them. He was going so fast the judge lost her hat. Squeeze! Goes the brakes. Thomas goes slow, slow, slow. Squeeze! Goes the brakes. Come, stop. There's a cow on the track. The cow's in. He's moving. Moo. Thomas goes. Choo, choo, choo. And on our way. Screech! Goes the brakes. Thomas goes slow, slow, slow. There's logs on the track. There's logs on the track. The crane engine with the logs. Thomas past the town, past the dog. Wait a minute, no cow, no logs. No mud, no dog. Screech! Goes the brakes. Good job, Thomas. The end.
Good job, buddy.
Now turn it on.